In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a newsletter on Shopify. To begin, make sure you are signed into your Shopify admin. You want to be looking at the main dashboard area because the next part depends on having access to the left side menu. Take a moment to locate that left-hand navigation panel. It is usually visible right away, and it is where most Shopify tools are grouped together. Now click Apps in the left menu. This is an important step because newsletters and customer messaging tools are typically added through apps. When you click Apps, the page will switch to the section where you can manage installed apps and also find new ones that you can add to your store. After you open the Apps area, look for the option that says All Recommended Apps. This section shows suggested apps that Shopify thinks are a good fit for your store, and it is the quickest way to find the right tool without searching through everything. Click All Recommended Apps to load the list of recommendations. Next, you will want to open the Shopify App Store from within that view. In many cases, Shopify will guide you toward the App Store experience from the recommendation page. The goal here is to use the built-in store search so you can quickly locate a specific app designed to help with newsletter-style communication. Once you are in the Shopify App Store area, find the search bar. In the next step, you will search for a specific app name. Type in Shopify Inbox, and then review the results that appear. The reason you are searching by name is simple. It saves time and makes sure you are installing the correct app. Now click Shopify Inbox from the search results. You should see an app listing page with details about what it does, who it is for, and how it can integrate into Shopify. Before installing, quickly scan the listing to make sure it is the correct one. This is also where you can confirm it matches the tool you intended to use for your newsletter setup. When you are ready, click Install on the app listing. This is the step where Shopify adds the app to your store and prepares it for use. Depending on your store settings, you may see a confirmation screen or short prompts as Shopify finishes the installation process. If anything appears, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the install. After the installation finishes, there is no extra work required in this particular walkthrough. At this point, your app is installed and ready to be used as part of your Shopify setup. You might be able to configure details after installation, but the process in these steps is specifically about finding the app and installing it. That leads us to the final moment of confirmation. Verify that the install completed successfully by checking that Shopify Inbox is now available in your apps list, or that the install status shows completion on the app page. If you see that it is installed, you have reached the end of the process described here. And that is it. And that covers everything you need to know.